Is it more? It's just like this, a lot of it?
It's like 3 patterns.
Is this the second? Good morning, everybody. Today is day number 6 on the trip around the Dominican Republic. And up ahead of me here, I got my new friend Patrick. He's from Quebec in Canada. Patrick, he's taking me out to a hidden waterfall. It's close to the one where I was yesterday, and then I didn't go. The one called Salto el Limón. This one, you can get to it by bike, and then you need to take a hike. So I think that's a really cool plan for this morning. It's early, it's only 7 a.m. After this, I'm probably gonna just hit the road and make some kilometers. And hopefully by the end of the day, I'll be in Cabarete. Alright, this better not be too crazy. So far, so good. Is there a lot more like this? Okay. Bro, is it more? It's just like this, a lot of it?
It's like 3 patterns.
Is this the second? Yeah. Move.
Here you park your bike, and after you go by walking.
And so it begins. This is the trail that he took me to get to the waterfall and the lagoon and the jumping off cliffs and whatnot. And I had to leave the bike further up there. This is definitely pure hard enduro. There's no way I'm getting the Honda up and down this, especially not today. It's been raining. Oh, it's raining all the time here, but it's been raining again last night. So this is what it looks like. That was awesome. Really nice to have a little shower, a little dip in the morning. It's only 8 a.m. This is super close to El Limón, but no one goes here. It's not easy to get here. It's kind of rough to get here, so I understand why people go to Limón. It's easier, but this is more my style. So thanks again. That was a hard hike. I did as fast as I could. Felt bad for leaving the bike out here, and the bags, my helmet, I threw it in a bush. Ah, perfect. This is a trail that Patrick recommended me go check out. So this is me checking it out. He says there's a really good view up here. I'm sure he's right. He's been right about everything else. Buenas, buen día. So if anyone is looking at buying where I just did that drone video, then the guy's name is Patricio and he's happy to sell $25 per square meter. That's a good deal if you want to live up there close to the river. Buen dia, buen dia. Nice. Woohoo! Look at this. I say look at this all the time. I'm sorry, but damn it. Wow, this is a good looking beach. Wow, wow, wow. Sí, ahí está. Out of Terrenas one more time. I went there to have a mechanic look at the chain glider, the one that we came up with in Sabana de la Mar. It had just worn itself out. It was a rubber that sits on the foot peg and it's really soft, so it didn't take long before it was just worn out again. So this guy, he cut a tire and used the tire as a chain glider and wrapped it all the way around the swing arm and fixated it with 3 screws or 4 screws even, so it sits perfect. It's not going to go anywhere. We lubricated the chain. We took out the front wheel because I felt like it was maybe a little bit loose, maybe the bearings were gone, but actually the bearings were fine. It was just not tightened well enough, so we tightened that and we changed the front brake pads. So everything is good right now for another segment of this trip. This stretch though is so beautiful. It reminds me of that first part of a trip where I crashed my drone. This is exactly the same. They just built a highway in the middle of it. The beautiful ocean on the side. Wow, this highway is unbelievable. Las Gordas, the ferries. So this is Playa Diamante. Wow, this is a very chill place. This is how to eat a mango. You cut it down here in the middle and there, and you open the slice and eat it. So I just realized this morning when I was looking at all the footage from yesterday that again 50% of everything I recorded with my helmet cam, which is a GoPro 8 with a media mod and a small microphone inside the helmet, came out without audio. Really frustrating. So all the narrating while I've been riding, all 50% of it is gone. So what happened is I got to Cabarete and I was looking for a place to wash my clothes and then wash my bike. I found both, but it was not easy. The bike washing place was really fun.
Tú sabes, le voy a tirar algo ahí, tú sabes, para la mamarse de uno. Yo que lo que oye como que dice eso, oye. Ay, ella quiere que de la calle me quite.
Me lo digo en serio, no me lo digo en chiste.
Hace par de días la noto que está triste.
Porque ella quiere que de la calle me quite.
Ay, ella quiere que de la calle me quite. Me lo dijo en serio, no me lo dijo en chiste. Hace par de días la noto que está triste.
Porque ella quiere que de la calle me quite.
Claro, más que yo de la calle me voy a quitar, pero tengo que josear
para poder coronar.
Tú estás claro que a ti, mamá, yo te quiero emocionar con una casa, mami, que te quiero regalar. Pilas de gogo se van a llenar. Ábrele la llave fácil para que se puedan vaciar. Levante la mano todo el que ame a su mamá. Yo levanto la mía porque te amo, mamá. Ay, ella quiere que de la calle me quite.
Me lo dijo en serio, no me lo dijo en chiste.
Hace par de días la noto que está triste.
Porque ella quiere que de la calle me quite.
Es que ella quiere que de la calle me quite. Porque ella quiere que de la calle me quite. Que lo que ella aquí voy de este lado.
Aquí voy.
En YouTube.
En YouTube.
No te sabes, dale para allá. Estamos aquí.
Bien, chicos.
Ahí.